Today, let's take a quick look at how LSAW steel pipes are manufactured. It all starts with steel plates. Each plate is carefully selected based on the specific requirements of the project. Next, the steel plates go through the forming process, gradually bent into the tubular shape. This step determines the pipe's diameter and outer appearance. After the forming process, the steel pipe undergoes both internal and external welding, using the submerged arc welding technique. Then the steel pipe goes through the expanding process, which further enhances the roundness and ensures more precise dimensions. After that, each steel pipe undergoes multiple inspections and tests to ensure the quality meets the required standards before moving on to the next stage. Based on the project requirements, the steel pipes can also undergo anti-corrosion treatment to adapt to the actual working environment. That's how LSAW pipes are manufactured, completed step by step, ultimately serving the oil, gas, water, and various infrastructure projects.